Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Kashif Shekhani, your English teacher. I hope you all are doing well. This video is for grade 8, 9 and 10 students. So first of all, you all are supposed to read this article very carefully, and then after reading you have to answer the questions that I'll be sharing at the end of my video. So basically this article it's non-fiction, and it's about rock climbing. So here I'll be telling you in very briefly about rock climbing. Rock climbing is an unusual and highly dangerous sport, as you all know. It's a dangerous sport. It has been brought up to date and into the city by building artificial mountains for the climbers to ascend, and the structure is designed for the climber and audience. For the first time, rock climbing has become a spectator sport. Spectators have changed rock climbing. Now it's called sport climbing, from an individual event to a team sport with supporters. So this article is about a 15 years old Yusha Kanaran, and here are the questions that you all are going to answer. Kindly read the passage carefully and then answer these questions. Here is the question 1. Did Yusha Kanarohan complete the course? There are 6 questions in exercise A. Then here comes exercise B. There are 3 questions, and in exercise C there are 6 questions, and again in exercise D there are 4 questions. Now come to next page. Here what you're going to do is you have to answer these questions in complete sentences. Then using your answers to help you, you have to write an account of the development of sports climbing as you understand it from this article. Okay, your account, which must be in continuous writing, must not be longer than 100 words. And these are the questions that you have to answer in that account. Okay, what is traditional rock climbing? How did the placing of balls in artificial rock face reduce the danger of the sport? How did artificial walls help keen rock climbers to practice their sport? Question number 4. What effect did this move away from the mountains have on the number of people taking up the sport? And question number 5. What effect do the following have on the spectators' enjoyment? A. They are close to the climbers. B. The climbers wear colorful clothing. C. Rock music is played during the competitions. Okay, now the last exercise, that is writing activity. You have to imagine you are watching another entrant in the Singapore's national rock wall climbing competition. You have to write an account of that person's climb from the foot of the artificial wall to the summit, if he makes it. Include a description of the crowd's reaction and the effect of the climber as well. Alright, that's all for today. These are your tasks for today. Kindly read the passage and then answer the questions. I hope you all will understand this. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care.